In this video, I want to share how a small change in the way I think about furniture placement opened up so much more space in our study room. As you can see here, that's how I originally arranged 3 bookshelves, with a big table in the middle. But as my kids are growing, they each wanted their own desk. At the same time, I wanted to keep one big table for when they work together. I kept thinking, how can I give them both their own space and a shared space? Then one day it hit me, what if I turned the bookshelves sideways instead of keeping them against the wall? So I gave it a try. Once the shelves were cleared, I turned them around, and suddenly one of the 3 didn't fit anymore. I decided to move that one into the kids' bedroom. In their bedroom, the shelf used to be against the wall with Lego displays. But when I placed the study room shelf in front of the bed, the room felt so much cozier. It also created 2 zones, a sleeping space and a little play and reading area. Now, before bedtime, they have a comfy spot to read or play a bit. Back to the study room, by turning 2 shelves sideways beside their desks, the kids suddenly felt like they had their own private corners. They love it! I also moved the big table against the wall, which makes the room feel more stable. And because the books aren't the first thing you see when walking in, the whole space feels tidier and calmer. What do you think? Why not try switching things up in your own space? It's such a refreshing change, and my kids are definitely enjoying it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.